create a list of dates with this date formula trick. The date function takes a year, month, and day to return a date. Nothing exciting there. But we can team it with the sequence function to return a list of the first of each month. If you want more than 12 months, simply change the sequence number. Month numbers greater than 12 are treated as 1 year plus the remaining months. For the first day of the month, simply start the sequence at 2 and omit the date function day argument and leave the day empty.